together. Hi guys, welcome back to Awesome Ava and Dorky Dad. So today we will be making a wand. No. So much talking. Okay. Now what?
So we're recording.
Wait, what? Okay, let's start over.
Let's go ahead and start over.
Welcome back to Awesome Ava and Dorky Dad. So today we'll be making a wand. And in this wand, in the middle, well, on the top of the middle, it will be glowing up of this, and so in here will be glowing up like a real wand. So
you know what this is called?
A wand.
Like this device. So we're going to be using a Circuit Playground. This is an awesome little device that allows us to do some coding. It has a ton of features on here. The most noticeable one is the lights, which is what we're going to be using to make the wand. But there are a ton of other features with buttons and accelerometers and all sorts of input and output pins. This is just a good beginner one that even someone like Ava can do, who's 6 years old. So we just have the Circuit Playground Express, which comes with the Circuit Playground.
Oh, and you cannot throw this away because
a battery pack.
Yeah, and if you throw this away, it can go into fire, I feel like if it gets to your house can like explode.
So you get a battery pack and batteries in the Circuit Playground. We also have, I'm a huge junkie of Adafruits, and so we have the Adabox. And so this comes with some supplies to do the magic wand, as well as a lot of other projects. But even if you don't have the Adabox, these are very, very simple materials that we can use.
Batteries.
So they have just given us arts and crafts supplies to kind of enhance our wand, and I'm sure Ava's going to grab some other stuff from our maker space here in our basement to make it look nicer.
And then we also have this stuff, and some also stuff that can help us.
Yep, so these are just lots of projects. It's a big thing we need.
And also a thing where we can have for a wand where we can maybe hold for us. So what goes first?
So the minimum things that you need is a paint stir, the Circuit Playground, some double-sided tape, and then any of the sorts of arts and craft supplies to decorate your wand to make it whatever you want. So what we're going to do is we are going to jump into this. And Ava,
you have a crafty box of
my gosh,
crafty stuff, which I'm just going to put this down by my side. Oh, and there's also this fluffy thing what I really like.
Okay, so why don't we do this? I'm going to jump in and get some of the code started. And you, why don't you start designing what you want the wand to look like?
So what do I design it on?
So we need to figure out how to decorate this.
Oh, yeah.
And this, you can add some of these to these little holes here.
And I can decorate this.
Yeah, so you can add whatever you want to it, and we're gonna add the wand. So.
Yay! So I can do keep it on. I can do what I ever want to do on here. So that will be exciting. But you also want it to be pretty, so you don't have it like so gross. But all of these colors, I feel like they can make brown. That's all I know.
Okay, so while you start decorating, I'm going to explain how the code works, okay?
Okay, how do you put these on?
Just kind of weave them through and twist them. Kind of like putting your shoestring in your shoes.
Oh, well.
Just kind of poke them through. You can use whatever you want. What else do you have?
I have other stuff, but I don't think we're going there.
But could you glue or attach stuff to the wand?
Yes, I do have glue, but I don't think I have it anymore. I just have color and other stuff. Oh, I have this, but I feel like it's...
Okay, so you figure that out. I'm going to let your creativity go, and I'm going to explain the code, okay?
Okay, so you like...
And the magic wand is actually one of the first tutorial projects you get kids started.
I'm getting along to it, guys. By the way, I'm just twisting it and then putting it.
So we're going to go ahead and click on the magic wand.
What?
and we're going to start the tutorial here. And so it's just going to walk us through a basic tutorial of how to get this thing coded. And so while she's designing, we're going to walk through the tutorial, so we'll have the side-by-side like you see. And so it tells us here that to get started, make something magical, we're going to place a show animation block in a forever slot to get the rainbow things going. So we're going to go ahead and do that now.
Oh, and we need this computer because it's like our first time this is our first time making this.
All right, so we need a show animation block. And we're gonna make this.
So hard to do.
And we're gonna add it to forever, it says. Oh wait, never mind, we don't need that, it's already forever, it's already in there. Okay, so once we got that, then we're going to add a on shake block. So the Circuit Playground has an accelerometer which can detect movement, just like a microbit and other devices that are around there. So we're going to go ahead and add these things in here as well. So on shake.
Oh, that was on my time to get it.
Okay, and we got our forever.
I feel like I'm just going to do this yellow one
We're
because
going
it's
to add out.
super easy.
You just you're rocking it, you're fine. We're going to drag out another show animation block, but we're going to place it inside the shake. And we're going to see what happens here. So, on shake, show animation it says. It says to go here, I'm going to move this over.
I'm trying my best, but it's not that well.
And we're going to make this.
I'm going to go get some scissors. Scissors, by the way, guys.
1,500 seconds here. And then we're going to add some sound to it. So now what we're going to do is we're going to drag some sound and place it inside the shake block, which is going to be pretty sweet. So we're going to play some sound.
It'll be pretty sweet.
All right.
It'll be also pretty sweet.
And let's see. Let's do jump down. I don't even know what that sounds like, but we're going to find out. Okay, then we can change the sound effect, which we already did that, which is great. And then we're going to go ahead and upload it to the device. And so
I need a tiny knot in here, by the way. I am going to keep on asking you that. I need a tiny knot.
We'll get it. Let's get the code running.
Okay, I'm just going to cut this. So I can cut how much I want to cut off when I'm doing this because I'm going to make it a tiny knot. So I can just cut it how much I want to do. Because I need a tiny, tiny knot, and I kind of figured it out. But I couldn't do it with the ones what I have because it was so hard. So I'm just doing,
I'm going to borrow this real quick.
Okay.
So the way that we install this, we just click in the device into a USB port. We plug in the Circuit Playground.
And it'll make that noise.
And then we are going to transfer our code. So we're going to go ahead and download this.
I don't know where this begins because it's just a big stroke of it. Oh, and it's lining.
All right, it tells us to press the reset button.
So I'm going to
So we're going to go ahead and do that. Lights are green. So we are ready to go, and now we're just going to drag the file. So I'm going to just open up our desktop here. There is a Circuit Playground right there. So we are literally just going to drag this file right to the Circuit Playground. It's blinking, as you can see. And now it's doing the infinite loop of the rainbow color. But it should be making noise if we shake it. So you can hear how it would be real quiet.
It's that.
And there we go. So now we're gonna go ahead and get our wand all
Pretty up.
prettied up.
Pretty up. Can you move your arm? Thank you. It's kind of a lot of work when you have this because you have stuff what is like hard. And I have to cut this because it's like a big knot. The black is like a big knot. So I'm doing a bunch of colors kind of. I have like green, dark green is like a knot. some red, some orange. So I'm so excited. And we'll have to glue
so
that
we'll find
on.
ourselves some pipe cleaners through there.
So this is what the bottom looks like so far. I'm going to also show you that this is awesome. Whoever made this, I like how you do this because it is awesome. All you make is just so awesome. I like how you did this because it's a lot of stuff, and if you like have some stuff at your house, you can also use it, and it would be awesome, awesome, awesome. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to kind of decorate this a little bit more excited. So we are almost done with it. Wait, are we almost done with it?
Sure, we're just gonna keep decorating.
Yeah, we have to keep on decorating because we want it fabulous. So I'm going to take some of these. So that is what it looks like so far. It's so cool. Can I keep this?
For $14.
Oh, okay. Here's my $14. I want to bring it to school and just show them.
Yeah.
I'm going to do that.
Here, so should we write our, you want to change the animation?
What is that? Yeah.
Change the lights?
Yeah. So this is it. It's due new, and I'm going to show you something. And I'll make that noise. And if I don't do it, it still does. But it's cool when you do this because it like shows every color. That was my bye. See you later. And say bye. Bye. This is kind of like a robot. Look what you made me do. 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 Look what you made me